Inhale deeply. Exhale. Twist your spine. Take your one hand back. One hand, right hand on left knee. Try to twist your spine. Look back, eye level. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to another side. Change. Not the same direction, change. And look back, eye level. Don't lean back, spine straight. Twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. ఈ ట్విస్టింగ్ లో మీకు ఎక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నారా మీ బాడీని? స్పైన్ లో పడుతుంది. ఎక్కువసేపు కూర్చొని బ్యాక్ రౌండ్ చేస్తారు కదా, ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు మీ బ్యాక్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. సో మనం లిఫ్ట్ చేసి ట్విస్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు బ్యాక్ లో ఆ ట్విస్టింగ్ వస్తుంది. దానివల్ల మీ బ్యాక్ అనేది స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. బ్యాక్ పెయిన్స్ రావు. చిన్న ఏజ్ లో చాలా మందికి పెయిన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Okay. Legs forward. One leg folded. This asana name is Janu Shirshasana. Janu means knee. This is the knee. Sirsha, head. We are touching our head to the knee. That's why it's called Janu Shirshasana. Names difficulty untundi, Sanskrit names. But asana గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Name మెల్లగా గుర్తొస్తుంది. Okay. Lengthen your hands. Lengthen everyone. Come on. One leg folded. Yeah, lengthen your hands. Lengthen. Slowly bend forward. Hold your toe or hold your feet. Try to go down. It's okay if you are not able to reach your feet. You can hold your ankle also. You can hold your leg. There. 5. Tummy inside. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Bend forward. Slowly inhale. Come back. Hands down. Change your leg. Change your leg. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, full forward fold. Touch your knee. Don't bend your leg. Leg should be straight. Hold your feet. If you are not able to reach your feet, nothing to worry. Hold your ankle or hold your leg here or here, but lengthen your spine. Don't round your back. Pull it forward. Inhale, come back. Exhale, drop it down. Let's take it back. Jaya ma'am, continue or shall I wind up? Jaya ma'am? Jaya ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm there. I'm here. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Jyoti, actually, we have that.
Madam,
also.
please tell us the benefits of yogas. Can you explain us the benefits of yoga?
Yeah, sure. We will stop with asanas from here.
All of you, please be seated properly, children. You sit in normal position.
Yeah, no, nothing. No need to sit in Vajrasana. You can sit like this.
Okay.
To wider and seated. Comfortable posture. Any comfortable posture. Okay. We will wind up with Omkara. Then I will tell the benefits of yoga. Okay. Okay. Then spine straight, hands together. Close your eyes. Deep breath. One more time, take a deep breath in. Take a deep inhalation. Take your hands back. Lengthen your spine. Go down to the mat. Inhale, come back. Release your hands. Rub your palms. Place it on your eyes, your face, top of the head, ears, neck, throat, all over the body. Touch your sole of the feet, your back, your hands. Gently open your eyes, look at your palms. Namaste. Say namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah. Without audio, you can say namaste. Right? Okay. Hello, kids. Yeah. Hope you like this session. Give me thumbs up. No need to talk. Give me thumbs up. If you are not like, give me this also. Don't worry. Nenemi ananu mimmalni. Either this or this. It's not compulsory. Andarki nachalani ledu. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
Madam, super.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. It's my pleasure, ma'am. My pleasure. Okay, kids. Why we did today yoga? Because
today is International Yoga Day.
Okay, I understood. You all know about that. Why we are doing yoga. Okay. Because today is International Yoga Day, 6th International Yoga Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi garu దీన్ని రికగ్నైజ్ చేసి మనకి ఒక డేని క్రియేట్ చేశారు. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్ మనం బాగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. ఒకప్పుడు యోగా అనేది ఉంది, బట్ ఎవరికి తెలియలేదు. సో క్లాప్ టు నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో యోగా చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటి బెనిఫిట్స్? కిడ్స్ ఎందుకు చేయాలి? ముసలి వాళ్ళు చేయొచ్చు కదా, వాళ్ళకి కదా కావాలి, కిడ్స్ కి ఏం అవసరం? అదేం లేదు. యోగా అనేది 100 years ఉన్న ఓల్డ్ వాళ్ళు చేయొచ్చు, 5 years ఉన్న కిడ్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. కిడ్స్ లో మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే స్టెబిలిటీ అనేది ఉండదు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు చిన్న వాళ్ళు కాబట్టి హైపర్ ఉంటారు, ఎక్కడ కూడా ఫోకస్ ఉండదు. సో ఫోకస్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. అండ్ ప్రాపర్ స్లీప్ కూడా చాలా మంది కిడ్స్ సరిగా నిద్రపోరు, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మోర్ హైపర్ వల్ల. ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అనేది స్లీప్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అందరికి. స్లీప్ అనేది సరిగా లేకపోతే ఎందులోని ఫోకస్ ఉండదు. వన్ డే ఫుడ్ లేకుండా ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ స్లీప్ లేకుండా ఉండలేము. ఆస్క్ టు యువర్ పేరెంట్స్. మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీ పేరెంట్స్ని అడగండి, వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు కూడా. ఓకే, మోర్ పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎక్కువగా వర్క్ టెన్షన్ లో ఉండి వాళ్ళకి కూడా స్లీప్ ఉండదు. యోగా చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇంటర్నల్ గా రిపేర్ అవుతుంది. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గాన్స్ చూసారా? మన ఆర్గాన్స్ మనం చూడలేం కదా, అవేం జరుగుతున్నాయో లోపల ఎవరికి తెలియదు. సో యోగా ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇట్ విల్ రిపేర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇంటర్నల్. బయట ఏదైనా దెబ్బ తగిలిందంటే మనం డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తాము, వాళ్ళ చేసేస్తాడు. సో లోపల ఏం జరుగుతుందని ప్రతిసారి మనం డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళలేము. సో వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ అవర్ ఆర్గాన్స్, బ్లడ్ వెజల్స్, హార్ట్, లివర్, కిడ్నీస్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, రైట్? సో దానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది యోగా అనేది. అండ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ పర్సన్స్ కిడ్స్ లో ఎక్కువగా గేమ్స్ ఆడతారు, పరిగెట్టి అలసిపోతారు. సో ఎందుకు అలసిపోతారు? లంగ్స్ అనేది స్ట్రాంగ్ గా లేకపోవడం వల్ల. లంగ్స్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్, బ్రీత్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇంకా ప్రాణాయామం అనేది కూడా ఉంది, బట్ ఈ రోజు నేను మీకు చెప్పలేదు. ప్రాణాయామ అంటే బ్రీతింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్. డైలీ మేము బ్రీత్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం కదా, మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు బ్రీతింగ్ చేయాలి? బట్ డైలీ తీసుకునే బ్రీతింగ్ నార్మల్ బ్రీతింగ్. బట్ మన లంగ్ కెపాసిటీ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 4000 లీటర్స్ ఉంటుంది మన ఎయిర్ కెపాసిటీ. బట్ మనం యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు. ఇది సైన్స్ పరంగా చాలా పెద్ద వాస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇది. సో లంగ్ కెపాసిటీ మీరు ఎక్కువ రన్ చేసినా కూడా ఆ టైప్ లో రాదు. మన లంగ్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు వైరస్ కూడా వచ్చింది కదా కరోనా గురించి, ఐ థింక్ మన అందరికీ ఐడియా ఉంది కదా. ఎందుకు కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది? మోర్ లంగ్ కెపాసిటీ బాగాలేని వాళ్ళకి, బ్రాంకైటిస్, ఆస్తమా, వీళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. బికాస్ ఇట్ విల్ నోస్ ద్వారా వెళ్ళి లంగ్స్ లో స్టేబుల్ అయిపోతాయి. అవే మన లంగ్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది. అది ఎలా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది మనం వేరే క్లాస్ లో నేర్చుకున్నాము. సో యోగా అనేది మన ఇంటర్నల్ గా చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ కన్నా ఇంటర్నల్ ఎక్కువ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? నో డౌట్స్. ఓకే, ఎవరికి మజిల్స్ కావాలి? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీరందరూ చాలా మంచి కిడ్స్, చాలా ఓపిక్ గా నా క్లాస్ విన్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్. Okay, see you if you want next class. We will meet again. Okay, I listen everybody. Thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, stay home, stay safe. Stay home, stay safe. ఈ రోజు గ్రహణం, ఇంట్లోనే ఉండండి. 2 o'clock కి మళ్ళీ డే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో స్టే హోమ్, స్టే సేఫ్.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. జయ మ్యామ్, కాల్ స్టాప్ చేయండి.
మ్యామ్ మీరు లాగ్ ఆఫ్, మీరు స్టాప్ చేయండి. మీరు స్టాప్ చేయండి. Children, we have Father's Day celebrations.
Teacher.
Children, all of you, please wait. We have other program also now.
Okay.
Any kids? I can't hear your voice.
Okay,
I can't hear.
It's coming. We have class.
Yeah, we have class. Wait, we have.
Okay, teacher.
Please wait for some time. We have other celebrations.
Okay, teacher.
అందరికీ నాది మ్యూట్ పెట్టు. See, children. Ravya. All of you have enjoyed yoga session. You please continue this regularly. Okay. Whatever you have done, we have learned today. We have to continue this, right? You please continue because now we have time. We are not going to school. We are staying at home only. The same timings we have to follow. Means at what time we wake up. If we go to school, normally we wake up at 5:30 or 6. So that time only you have to wake up. Even we are at home also, we have to maintain the same discipline. Then only we get time to do all these yoga practice and meditation and all. Okay, please practice the simple exercises, whatever you learn. Please keep it on. So the thing is here please follow and one more thing I want to tell you today. One more speciality is there. What is today's special? Other speciality that is
Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Okay.
Father's
Have you
Day.
wished your- Correct. Father's Day. Have you wished your father?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
prepare.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
request. Good. Keep it up. You please prepare one greeting card and present to your father today. Happy Father's Day. Okay, you have to prepare one greeting card from your side, and you can give gifts also. Of course, you are a big gift to your father. Please show, express. If we express only, all of you have lot of love towards your father. We know. But you have to express. Today you have an opportunity to express your love towards your father. So don't hesitate to express. Please express, okay? And whatever the expressions are, greeting cards, take a photo and send to Masters Academy number. Manjula ma'am number is there, na? That number you please send, okay? And any children you want to say anything about your father, you can say. If you want to share your feelings or anything, you can please share. Who wants to say about your father? Anybody wants to say about your father?
Jyoti ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, yes, your voice is coming.
Yeah, children, you have to say. You may have gifts also for this session.
Okay. Acha, you please continue, ma'am. Your voice, see,
Children, you have to tell about your father. Today is a special day. You have to wish your father, and you have to tell about your father something. Anything you can say, please.
if you
Guru
say,
Shashidhar
Jaya ma'am
Reddy,
will provide you gifts.
Ritvik,
Jaya ma'am will give you gifts.
Sanvi, Aditya.
Or else you can bring your father with you and tell about them. Bring your father. Please bring your fathers. Yes.
Yeah, Aditya's
Nice.
father came.
Aditya's father
Hello,
came.
sir. Happy Father's Day.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, my father is not here, ma'am.
No
No
problem.
problem.
No problem.
See, if your father is not there, you can bring your mother. Your mother only your father. Okay. There is no difference between your mother and father. See, mother and father both are same.
Vedasri's father also came. Very good. Sir, happy Father's Day. Vedasri father.
Thank you so much. My son is so excited to make greeting for me. I'm so happy.
Acha, Pramit. Yeah, sir.
Bring your father. 5 minutes.
Sir, happy Father's Day, Pramit father.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Guru Shashidhar Reddy father also came. Happy Father's Day of Guru Shashidhar Reddy.
Thank you.
My father is.
Yeah. Next, Sonika and Tejasri. Sir, happy Father's Day. You have 2 kids. Lakshmi and Saraswati, congratulations. Happy Father's Day. And
My father.
Shubham mother also came. Ma'am, happy Father. Please convey.
He is my father, mama.
थैंक यू
And
उसके पापा तो है नहीं यहाँ पे वो तो अभी
Shreera, ma'am. Congratulations. And Shreera Siddhartha father also came. Sir, congratulations. You have bright star of the India. Congratulations. And happy Father's Day also, Mr. Venkanna Parapalli. And who are they? Yeah. Sumit Mukka's father also came. Sir, congratulations. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And Mahendra Sudhakar, your father is not there? And Rahul Vishal. Stars of the India. I want you all.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
मम्मी लाना में
Ma'am, we can't hear you. What you're saying, ma'am? No, ma'am, we can't hear.
Ma'am, you kept yourself in mute.
You kept in mute. Jaya ma'am, you kept your audio in. Jaya, you kept your audio in mute.
Not keep actually.
Now we can.
Now we can hear. Hello?
Ma'am, my sister thought my father.
Okay. Congratulations, sir. Happy Father's Day.
Ma'am, my sister. Oh, my father.
Man Sudhakar father also came. Sir, congratulations. My
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shriras,
Ma'am, my
Ran
father's
is
photo.
Ran his father's photo. Very good. Everybody congratulate him and clap him. Srimas Siddhartha. Excellent. Anything for your father. Show me. I'll give you gifts. Fatafat. Bring something for your father. I want see your presentation. And Sumit Mukha also. Sumit Mukha, please keep close to the camera. We want to see your presentation. Sumit Mukha, come on fast. Yeah, Sumit Mukha also did something for his father. Very good. Come on, bring something, anything, whatever you drawn for your father. Rahul Vishal, you did so many things for your parents. No, please bring. Because everything is recording, we want sent to the head office. Mansudhakar, Haripreetu, Sonika and Tejasri, Aditya, please bring something to your father. Anything, any drawing, whatever you did. Pramit also bringing something for his father. Wow, wow, very nice, really good.
My father's favorite god, ma'am.
Yeah, baby, please repeat.
My father's favorite god.
Oh, very nice of you. Everybody clap him. Everybody, come on. Very good. Next. Vishal also showing something. Wow, Father's Day celebration. He already made a greeting. Very good. Everybody clap him. And Sonika and Tejasri. No problem. If you don't have also, no problem. We want to send this video to the HO. That's what I'm requesting to every student. Okay? Very good. So today, unfortunately, we have that random and something also. So please, you should not go anywhere. No? Corona also there. So do something, your father. By today, you please keep in your particular group. Post it. Take a pic and please post it in your group. Yeah, Haripreet also brought something. Very nice.
Haripreet did greeting card.
Greeting card. Very good. And Rahul and Rahul also brought something.
Now everyone just please quiet. Okay, now Master Sriraj Siddhartha will talk about the Father's Day.
Yeah, Sriraj.
Yes, Sriraj. Okay, give a little speech about the Father's Day. Ready?
But wait. Even well doctor video.
He'll tell about his father. Okay, everyone, after one by one, you want to listen about your father. Okay, come on, Sriraj, continue.
Go and sit.
Ma'am, can I show my PPT about my father gratitude?
And show me. If you are unable to show right now, you can take one pic and post on your particular group. Okay? Till evening, I'll see how many members will keep.
Can't do that.
It's on, say on.
Hey, everybody keep your mobiles on mute, baby. Somebody is telling something about his father. Yeah, Sriraj is Dada.
First introduce yours.
Sriraj, we can't hear your voice. Please keep headphones.
Your headphones, Sriraj is Dada. Radhasri is very happy with her father. We are able to see the happiness and everything.
Now we can hear, ma'am.
Yeah, baby.
Yes.
We are able to hear.
Ma'am, my father's name is Venkat. He's
Okay.
an engineer. He's a manager of Alkali Metals. And he cares about me a lot. When I got headache, he goes down and thinks about it and bring all the tablets and give me.
Oh, that's it. Very good.
Let it.
Continue. Say. Okay, very good. Everybody clap him. Even I want to say about my father. Sriraj Siddhartha's father, only my father, my husband's father, everyone. Actually, he's very cooperative and he's very good. And he is the head of the Masters Academy, Mr. Paripalli Venkanna, the father of Masters Academy. Everybody clap him because he is doing a lot of hard work towards the Masters Academy. On time he is giving the books and everything. He doesn't want to waste any child's time. So whenever the child wants the book, immediately, like Korean boy, he is working really. Everyone has to appreciate him. Everybody clap him. Thank you so much. And next, come on, Man Sudhakar, tell about your father. Man Sudhakar, you have to speak because you are a good boy. You are doing everything. Abacus, you are doing wonderful. You have to say something at least. If you don't want to tell anything, at least say I love you, Dad. At least.
Good morning. My father's name is Pramod Kumar.
Okay.
He works hardware engineer.
Oh, great.
And
He takes care of the family. If I ask anything to him, he will give me. You.
okay. Next. Veda, you have to say something about your father. We are able to see your father very happy. So please tell something about your father. Veda, speak.
Good morning. I love my father very much. He helps me at work, home, and take care of himself. Share to my and our family. I love my father.
Okay, very good. Everybody clap hands. Come on, Pranit. Pranit already showed something for his father. Very good. And somebody came. Sandhya. Oh, sorry. Hello, ma'am. Sandhya, ma'am. After so many days, I'm able to see you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I was there from the beginning of the session.
Okay, ma'am. Next. Veda. Sonika, tell something about your father. Aditya, you have to speak out today.
And can I tell ma'am?
Yeah.
I love my
Oh, good.
Please do ask. I asked. He pushes every day. Then the morning to bring him only mom. He not forgot. I love my dad so much.
Oh, very good. Congratulations, sir. And Shubham, please tell something about your father. Because your father is somewhere. Your father is an army person. You are,
Jaya ma'am,
you are very happy. Yeah, Jyoti ma'am.
only 2 minutes is there.
Okay, no problem. Everybody expressed themselves and by showing their greeting cards. And Pranit shown one Hanuman photo. And we are thinking that his father is like Hanuman. Very great. And Pranavi always showing her gratitude. And Guru Shashidhar Reddy also shown something.
Very good. Congrats, children. All of you will get the
Harpreet
gifts.
and Harpreet's sister also shown something. Very good, Harpreet. Your father is not at home, I am home. No problem. And Sumit Mukha also good. Everybody shown their gratitude towards their father. Congratulations, and we are sending this recording to the head office. And Vipik also want to say something, I think. Yeah, maybe you want to say something about your father? And the session is almost going to finish. Everybody enjoy your day.
Ma'am, can I see?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, you already seen your. Yeah, if you want to say something, come on fast. Only 1 minute is there.
His name is Manoj. He is a scientist. He is my best friend. He takes care about me a lot, and I love my father very much.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Congratulations.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I also say?
Yeah, but help me. Come on fast.
You are my light. You are my star. Dad, you taught me how to work and how to become a star.
Oh, very good, Harpreet.
Ma'am, can I see?
Huh? Yeah, baby. Somebody is talking.
Yes, Guru, you please say. Guru, say fast.
Guru Shashidhar Reddy, where is Guru Shashidhar Reddy? Yeah, Guru.
He will work. He is working.